Ever wondered what that little pill shell is for? It might look simple, but there's a world of science packed into that tiny package. Capsules are everywhere, from your daily vitamins to life-saving medications, and they play a much bigger role than you might think. It's not just decoration. It's a high-tech delivery system. Each capsule is carefully crafted to carry its contents safely through your body, protecting the medicine inside until it's needed most. Capsules make medicine easier to take by hiding bad tastes and smells. For many people, this simple feature is the difference between taking their medicine and skipping it, but their job goes deeper. The shell protects the medicine from air and light, keeping it potent. Without this barrier, many medicines would lose their strength before you even take them. It also prevents the medicine from dissolving too early, ensuring it's released in your stomach or intestines at just the right time. This means the medicine can work exactly where it's needed, without being wasted or broken down too soon. This precise timing means your body gets the full, intended dose. It's a bit like having a tiny timer built into every pill, making sure you get the right amount at the right moment. Some capsules dissolve quickly for fast relief, giving you comfort when you need it most, while others are engineered for slow, extended release. And these are designed to keep working for hours, so you don't have to take medicine as often. The shell's design is key to how and when the medicine works. Scientists spend years perfecting these tiny containers, testing how they dissolve and how they interact with your body. Capsules are more than containers. They're carefully engineered tools that make medicine safer and more effective. Every step, from design to manufacturing, is about making sure you get the best possible treatment. Next time you take a capsule, remember, it's a marvel of pharmaceutical science working behind the scenes for your health. That little shell is the result of innovation, research, and a deep understanding of how our bodies work. That tiny shell is doing a lot of heavy lifting. It's protecting, timing, and delivering your medicine with incredible precision. It's science making medicine friendlier and more reliable. Thanks to capsules, treatments are easier to take and more effective than ever before. Capsules are a small detail with a huge impact on modern healthcare. They help millions of people every day, from children to seniors, get the medicine they need. They're proof that even the tiniest package can have a big job. Sometimes, the smallest things make the biggest difference. Consider the capsule, a true marvel in every dose, quietly working to keep you healthy, one tiny shell at a time. Capsules come in two main types, hard and soft. These tiny containers are more than just a way to take medicine. They're a marvel of pharmaceutical engineering, each designed for a specific purpose. Hard capsules are the classic two-piece kind, perfect for powders and dry ingredients. They're made from gelatin or plant-based materials, and their design allows for precise dosing and easy filling. The body holds the medicine, and the cap seals it tight, keeping contents dry and stable. This airtight seal protects sensitive ingredients from moisture and air, helping medicines last longer on the shelf. Soft gels, on the other hand, are single, flexible shells designed for liquids and oils. Think fish oil or vitamin E. Their smooth, easy-to-swallow texture makes them a favorite for supplements and certain medications. Their seamless design keeps liquids fresh and leak-proof. This not only prevents spills, but also locks in potency, ensuring the medicine stays effective until you take it. The choice between hard and soft gel depends on what's inside. Powders go in hard capsules, liquids in soft gels. This careful matching helps deliver the right dose in the right form. Scientists select the best type based on the medicine's properties, ensuring safety and effectiveness. They consider how quickly the medicine needs to work and how best to protect it until it reaches your body. Both types dissolve in your digestive system, but their construction is tailored to their contents. This means your body gets the medicine just when and where it's needed most. Understanding the difference helps us appreciate the science behind every pill. It's a blend of chemistry, biology, and engineering working together for your health. Hard capsules and soft gels. Two solutions, one goal, delivering medicine just right. Each form is chosen with care to suit the medicine and the patient. Each is a product of careful design and purpose, shaped by years of research and innovation. It's another way science makes our medicines work better, safer, and more convenient for everyone. Capsule shells must be strong yet dissolve easily in your body. Most are made from gelatin, a protein from animal collagen, which forms a tasteless, reliable shell. For those avoiding animal products, there's a plant-based alternative, HPMC, made from plant cellulose. HPMC works much like gelatin, but is entirely vegetarian and vegan-friendly. Both materials are mixed with purified water and sometimes a plasticizer like glycerin for flexibility. The result is a shell that's sturdy enough to hold medicine, but dissolves at just the right moment. The choice between gelatin and HPMC lets everyone find a capsule that fits their needs. Both are proven safe and effective for delivering medicine. It's all about using the right material for the perfect delivery. The shell is the unsung hero of every capsule. Making hard capsules is a feat of precision. It starts with mixing gelatin or HPMC with hot water to create a thick gel. Stainless steel pins, shaped like capsule halves, are dipped into the gel, forming a thin film. The thickness of the dip determines the strength of the shell. The coated pins are rotated and dried in controlled chambers, ensuring uniform shells. Once dry, automated strippers remove the shells, which are trimmed to the perfect length. The cap and body are pre-joined but not locked, ready for filling. These empty capsules are shipped to pharmaceutical companies for filling and final assembly. Every step is automated for consistency and quality. The result: identical, reliable capsules, ready to deliver medicine. It's a blend of science and engineering in every shell. From gel to capsule, it's a journey of precision. Softgel capsules are made for liquids, and their creation is a high-speed marvel. The process starts with a gelatin mix, made extra flexible with more plasticizer. This mix is spread into two thin ribbons which are fed into an encapsulation machine. As the ribbons meet, liquid medicine is injected between them, and rotating dies cut and seal each capsule instantly. Hundreds of softgels are formed, filled and sealed every minute. Fresh capsules are soft and fragile, so they're gently tumble-dried to firm them up. Then, they're moved to drying tunnels, where controlled air removes moisture over days or weeks. This slow drying hardens the shell and locks in the liquid. Once dried, softgels are cleaned, polished, and inspected. The result: perfectly sealed, leak-proof capsules with a long shelf life. Softgels are a triumph of speed, precision, and care. They're the go-to for liquid medicines and supplements. Capsules come in a rainbow of colors, but it's not just for looks. Color helps patients and pharmacists quickly identify medicines and dosages, reducing errors. Food-grade dyes or natural colorants are added to the shell material before molding. Two-tone capsules use separate colors for the cap and body, creating unique combinations. Many capsules are also printed with text or logos using edible ink for extra identification. This printing is crucial if a pill is separated from its packaging. Some capsules are opaque or dark to protect light-sensitive medicines. Every color and marking is a deliberate safety and quality choice. The appearance of a capsule is as functional as it is distinctive. It's designed with a purpose: safety, clarity, and protection. Before any capsules are filled with medicine, they must first pass through a series of strict quality control steps. This process is essential to ensure that every single capsule meets the highest standards before it ever reaches a patient. Highly trained inspectors, along with advanced machines, carefully check each capsule for cracks, dents, or faulty seals. Any capsules that show even the slightest imperfection are immediately removed from the production line to prevent any risk to patients. Next, disintegration tests are performed. These tests mimic the conditions inside the human stomach, making sure that capsules dissolve at just the right time to release their medicine where it's needed most. If a capsule dissolves too quickly, the medicine might not be absorbed properly. If it dissolves too slowly, it may not work as intended. Timing is everything for effectiveness and safety. Moisture content is also carefully measured. If a capsule is too dry, its shell can crack and break apart. If it's too moist, it can become sticky and clump together, making it difficult to handle and potentially affecting the medicine inside. Every batch is checked for weight, size, and elasticity. These measurements guarantee that each capsule is uniform, so every dose is exactly as intended. Automated systems can weigh thousands of capsules in just minutes, ensuring consistency across massive batches. This technology helps catch even the smallest variations. All of these tests and measurements are carefully recorded and reviewed. This ensures that the right dose is delivered safely, every single time, and that no detail is overlooked. Only capsules that pass every single test move forward to be filled with medicine and packaged for delivery to pharmacies and hospitals. Quality control is truly the backbone of safe, effective medicine. It's a team effort, combining science, technology, and human expertise. This is how manufacturers earn your trust with every pill, by making sure each one is safe, reliable, and exactly as promised. Every capsule is a promise of safety, quality, and reliability, made possible by rigorous testing and attention to detail. That's the science and care behind the medicine you take, ensuring your health is always in good hands.